In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Microsoft Teams online using the web version. Navigating Microsoft Teams through your web browser can be an efficient way to stay connected with your team without the need to download or install any additional software. By the end of this guide, you'll be comfortably accessing all that Teams has to offer right from your browser. Let's start off by opening your preferred web browser. Whether you use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, any of these will work just fine. Once you have your browser open, head to the address bar and type in https teamsmicrosoft.com and hit enter. This will take you directly to the Teams website where you can begin the login process. Upon reaching the Teams login page, you'll need to enter your Microsoft account email. This could be your work, school, or personal email associated with Microsoft services. Once you have typed in your email address, you'll see an option to click Next, which will move you to the next step of logging in. The next field prompts you to enter your password. Be sure to type it correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your password, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. At this point, if your organization utilizes multi-factor authentication for enhanced security, you might need to complete an additional step. Verification can come in a few different forms, such as a code sent to your phone via SMS, an email, or a notification through an authenticator app. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to finish this verification step. Once logged in successfully, you'll be seamlessly directed to the Teams web interface. From here, you have access to a range of collaborative features. You can chat with colleagues using the chat feature, join and participate in calls or meetings with just a few clicks, and access your team's calendar to keep track of meetings and events. Additionally, you can share and collaborate on files with your peers, all within the Teams environment. Using Microsoft Teams Online can be quite straightforward once you get the hang of it. With these steps, you'll quickly gain access to an efficient platform for communication and collaboration. I hope this guide was helpful and you now feel confident in your ability to log into Microsoft Teams using the web version.